What's going on, gang? Welcome back to the channel, All Things Strange. It's your man, Dr. Strange. We are back in action. We're here on another Mail Monday. We got some newness from the fam, KKcardvault. You can find them on Whatnot. Link in the description down below. Also, my Whatnot link is also in the description area. And if you're new to Whatnot, by clicking that link, you will get free $10 voucher to use on the platform. So take advantage of that if you are new. And if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Do hit the like button. Hit the notification bell, because we will be back with some more. So let us dig in on this Mail Monday. These should be a whole bunch of slabs that I won on auction. So, I figured why not share the opening with the fam, right? So let's do this. All right, let's see what we got here. First up is 2022 Panini Don Russ Sauce Gardner rated rookie. I say 10. Jamil. There's one number 2. Peyton Manning auto Diamond Pro Signs collection. GMA Jamil. Oh yeah, this is a banger right here. White Schwartz, Thor, and Loki. Japanese right here. Thor and Loki. Feel less oil in my hands now, so we're gonna go gloveless. Plus it's got bags. It should be good. It should be good. Let's see what else we got under that. We got Tom Brady 2017. I say Jamil. I say slabs. Really nice quality. So we got Gabe Cunningham Emergent Rookie. I say Jamil 10. Panini Prism. It's gonna be Justin Herbert, Rookie, Panini Chronicles. Last card up. Let's see what we got. Marvel. Last but not least, it's your man, Dr. Strange 2023 White Schwartz Jamil 10 ISA. Marvel Premium, Japanese joint. So yeah, man, there you have it. Unbelievable deals at KK's Cards. So I would advise you guys to check them out, you know. What else can I say? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, some of these, I'm not sure which ones, but these and other cards are going to be available in my What's Not store. If they're available on any other platforms that I have, I will leave the link in the description below. So yeah, there you have it, guys. A couple of pickups, KK's Cards Vault. So yeah, man, do check us out, man. Appreciate you stopping through another Mail Monday. Catch you guys on the next one. Your man Dr. Strange, all things strange. It's out.